We're the Mario Brothers, in plumbing's a game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. When your sink is in trouble, you could call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers. Hooked on the brothers. Yo, you're in for a treat, so hang on to your seat. Get ready for adventure and remarkable feats. You'll meet Koopas, the Troopers, the Princess and the others. Hanging with the plumbers, you'll get hooked on the brothers to the bridge. The brothers.
Welcome to Calvin and Sadie birthday party!
Happy birthday, Calvin and Sadie. We love you.
First time, ma'am, syempre super excited. At the same time, medyo kabado kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin, kung paano mag-raise ng baby. Pero fulfilling ang feeling. Like, parang nakumpleto kami nung dumating si Calvin. And same thing with Sadie.
With Sadie naman, kaiba. Kasi si Calvin, mabait na bata eh. Although hindi naman, makulit lang yung aming bunso. Pero humiling kasi ako na maging tough yung namin, second baby namin. Which is, binigay naman kaso sobra-sobra yung naging kakulitan na yun. So parang siya yung kuya sa dalawa.
For Sadie and Calvin, love na love namin kayo ni Daddy. We're always here for you guys. Whatever happens, kahit malalaki na kayo, nandito pa rin kami.
Sorry kasi napapaiyak tuloy ako. Yung pag napapagalitan ko sila, ako yung maiksi yung pise. So, ako yung laging namamalo. Ayun, pero ginagawa ko yung pamamalo kasi yun yung sense ko na para maging maging tough. Para hindi sila mabully kasi nasa ibang bansa kami. Pero si Calvin, siya yung more on sensitive side. Kaya, sorry, pero love na love ka ni Daddy at Daddy. Happy birthday, Calvin and Sadie. We love you.